You ain't got that damn thing on, huh?
Yeah, it is now.
Who the hell's on? God damn, how much room you need, kid? God damn, punks come around here.
Oh, shut up.
Shit. They
You just mad because
think you can outshoot us because they're younger than us and all that, but
You're mad because I shoot you.
it ain't gonna happen.
They take your stand out if you live?
No, actually I like the stand. It puts a little bit more weight on it.
Use a counterbalance.
Yeah. Shit, it's not against the law.
You what? What arrest you got on there? You got a disappearing arrest?
No, drop it. Yeah, I got to drop for it. Watch.
I see, I got a handicap, I don't have one of them. Like you and Roach. Cheating. Y'all got the advantage, you and Roach.
Yeah, we're better than you. Oh, you're hiding. What the hell was that?
That was an oops. I wasn't ready for that.
They got mulligans and
No. No mulligans.
no mulligans.